Do you believe that our God is our provider? All through history, God has been Jehovah Jireh, the Lord, the provider for his people. First of all, God will provide when we trust him. If you trust him today, you will experience his provision. Secondly, God will provide your need and not your want. Listen to this truth very, very carefully. God knows exactly what we need and is more than able to provide. Yes, friends, God never promises to give us everything we want, but he does promise to always give us what we need. The third thing, God will provide, but he will provide in his time. His time is always right and perfect. God will always be on time in his provision for you, your family,